So today, I'm going to put in some LED headlights, highs and lows. I'm going to install a set of light pods, a light bar for frontwards, and I'm going to put a set of light pods on the back. She's also got a lift kit coming in. So, as you can see, I mean, it's pretty low to the ground. She's got about 15 inches there. So let's do a little better. She's got about a foot. Hi, Dom. She's got about a foot of clearance underneath her car. Usually we go along the frame itself. She does not have a lot of clearance in this car. And with winter being upon us, I would just like to give her just a little bit more clearance. Leveling kit, nothing to get it too far off the ground because she is only 5'4", but it'll give it about 2 more inches of clearance. Not the actual frame itself, unfortunately, but the sides will have more clearance. Her bumper hangs pretty low. There's not a lot of space there. And then here's the lift kit. I've got the high beams, the low beams LEDs, and I got her some LED interior lights just because the lights inside her car aren't very bright. I've got some other stuff for her, but this is the stuff that's pertaining to the car.
I've been flipping pages since I could remember. That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I've never got no regret. The hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a chance, a chance on faith. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith. I could have been. I've never got no regret. The hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a chance, a chance on faith. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance on faith. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance.
alone. And no, I'm letting go. I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then follow home. But if you want to travel, then go alone.
So I got the headlights out. Now the most important thing before you start messing with the actual lights themselves, you always want to go wash your hands off.
Travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired with yesterday. Harder, harder. My demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell, oh well. It's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around.
Now time for the LEDs. And obviously they're marked on the sides to let you know exactly what they are.
Just time stands still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. Oh, wait, I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday. Harder, harder. I'm just enough to make you smile, and you need me to hold you close, and all your fears that you dream of will disappear and flood